morning, Rax. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, which makes today National Be a Millionaire Day. We know somebody at Rax who wanted to be a millionaire. There he is. $1,000 is still pretty cool. Three big things. The key word from the Counselors Connect series is resiliency. Resilience. Resilient. You're being resilient if you're continuing to do your work, driving through this pandemic and continuing to focus on your goals. Being resilient is a key trait. Remember, we're going to be off, sort of, on Monday, so you may not see any class structure for you. I'll still do a workout. And remember, if anybody in your family is struggling, having trouble being resilient, don't be afraid to reach out to RAC staff, students, to try to get you some help that you very well may need. Happy birthday to the one, the only, Tamira Chapman. All right, that's all I've got for today. We have reached Wednesday, Rex. Have a good one, and have a great Millionaire Day.